Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to turn off Meta AI on Facebook. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Facebook app. And after opening our Facebook app, the next thing that we need to do is to click this 3 line that is located on the top right corner of the screen. And after that, scroll down until you see help and support, and then click help center, and then click report a problem right here. And after that, click report problem, then just click include, and then you will be asked to describe the issue that you are having right now. So what we're going to do is to type I want to remove Meta AI. So just like that, you can type whatever you want in this column. So let's just use this as an example. Then you can also attach an image right here. So just upload from phone right here, and after you're done with this, just click send right here on the top right corner, and then it will now be finalized. And then once it is sent, Facebook will shortly review your problem, and then they will get back to you shortly. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.